guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? I hope you all are doing well by God's grace. So today I'll be doing something a little bit different on this channel. So here I have my attachment, I have my thread. So if you want to make this, you need those things, and you also need this stick. Also, so today I will be doing a DIY kicking Afro kicking wig band for myself and for me alone. So here is my stick. I'm just going to wrap the attachment around the stick, then I will use my thread to tie it. If you want, you can use a rubber band. So you can use a rubber band if you want. If you don't want to use thread to hold it down, you can use rubber band. Okay, so now after tying it, I will just start rolling it around the stick like so, as you can see. So this, they call it skiwa, I don't know, skiwa something skiwa. So I will just run it around the stick like so, as you can see me doing. It's very easy to do, just be rolling it around like so, as you can see. So to my returning subscribers, you guys are welcome. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for your love and support. I really do appreciate a lot. I really do appreciate you all. So if you are here for the first time, you are welcome. Thank you so much for coming to watch today's video. I do all about hair, about how to grow your natural hair. Sometimes I do throw in something like this, okay, but not every time, but I will try as much as possible, so I can be putting it something like this maybe once or twice a week. So now I'm just going to just roll the attach around the stick. Please do subscribe if you like this video, and remember to turn on your post notification. Share this video out to your friends and family, okay? So if you just subscribe to my channel, you are so amazing. I love you all. Thank you so much for subscribing. I really do appreciate you as well. So now I'm just going to just roll it around. So after everything, this is how it's looking like now. I use just if you are familiar with attachment, that one they have 2 in 1. I use the one, only the one from it. So only one is okay. If you buy that 2 in 1, just use only one for this headband wig, so that it will not be too full. If it's too full, you are not going to like it, okay? Now I just add Kinky conditioner to help to soften the attachment a little bit. So I put it inside hot water, as you can see. I'm just going to allow it to stay in the hot water for a while, so that it can help with the coil, okay? When I brought it out of the water, I just put it on this paper towel. Then I will allow it to dry up a little bit. I will leave it overnight to dry up. So this is the next day, guys. I've already removed the attach out of the stick, so I'm just going to show you guys how easy it is for you to remove this attach from the stick without scattering the attachment. So I'm just going to be careful, just like so. It's very easy, guys. When you remove the thread from the head, just pull it and it will just go out just like that, out, okay? So this one is proving stubborn. Don't worry, you will come out very soon. Guys, I have here my mannequin hair and my wig cap. So I got this wig cap from Amazon. So the mannequin was sent to me year ago. So now I'm just going to start crocheting the hair to my wig cap. So first of all, you have to separate the attach just like so. Be careful. I'm just going to separate it, then I will be cutting the attach just little by little like so. You don't have to use all in one place, so you have to separate it while you want to crochet the hair. So guys, I am done crocheting my hair. As you can see, this is so beautiful and the hair looks so nice. This is Afro kicking crochet, hairband crochet. So now I'm just going to just trim out the excess, then I will show you how I will be rocking this in different style. So this is how it look like now. This is the front of the wig, as you can see. So I'm just going to throw it on my head. So yeah, I also have hook that you can use to secure it at the back, so you can also adjust it to your hair size, so that is really good. So now this is how the hair is looking like. The coil is so amazing. If you want more coil, you can use mousse and just put it on twist. If you want to keep it after wearing it, use any mousse that you have and just braid it and keep it. Whenever you want to wear it, you just unravel the. This is number one style you can wear this wig. So I'm just going to wear my wig cap, my headband, as you can see. So this is just number one style, and there's different style you can just style this hair. It's so beautiful. You can just make it for yourself with three row attachment, and you will not even finish it. You use half of the attachment and you make this for yourself. You can also style it anyhow you want. So I'm just using this pink moisturizer to moisturize the hair, so to be free of tangle. Yeah, this is basically how I make my wig headband crochet wig, just like so. Very easy to put together and it's very easy to style, to play with any style that you want to style. So if you like this video so far, please subscribe and share with your friends and family, and comment at the comment section below. So I'm just going to just moisturize it like so. You can also wear it like this. just put everything back like so, and this is so beautiful, so beautiful. Like, it's so amazing. I love this hair a lot. The color of the hair is also beautiful. As you can see, it's so nice. So this is the second style. You can put everything in front like so, just side by side like so. If you want any style you want, you can just style it, and it's so very stylable. You can just play with it around and just make any style of your choice. Okay, so you have to save the coins and do this for yourself. Very easy to put together. So thank you so much for watching today's video. I appreciate you all a lot. So this is the last style for today's video. I really love this one side just like so. You are fine, everything look beautiful, right? Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all on my new video by God's grace. Bye bye, and stay safe, have fun. Ciao.